In the app gallery, there are many packaged apps which comes ready for installation in your workspace. There are two types of packaged apps included in all Apex workspaces, which are productivity apps and sample apps. First, we're going to talk about productivity apps. Productivity apps are point solutions which can be installed in just a couple of minutes. These are fully functional applications that can be used for specific tasks, such as polling or incident tracking, and they also come with sample datasets that can be installed to get a sense of how the applications work. Afterwards, the sample datasets can be removed and replaced with your own data. When you download and install a packaged app, the application is locked and fully supported by Oracle. However, after installation, you can unlock the app to make customizations as needed or view how a specific functionality was implemented. Just remember that an unlocked app will no longer be supported by Oracle, nor will it be eligible for future upgrades. I'm going to download the Incident Tracking app. All right, I'm going to run this. Sign in. And here, I can modify the access control, add users, load sample datasets, and specify application options such as inline help. For this purpose, I'm just going to keep all of the options and hit complete setup. And you can see from the green success message at the upper right corner of the screen, the app is now ready to be used. Since I loaded some sample dataset, it already has information pre-populated to give us an idea of how the app functions. It includes information about open and closed tickets. It has recent activity, some tags that were used, and even a couple of charts. I'm going to click on Open Tickets. And from here, you can view customers, product, status code, severity, whatever you'd like to see. In the menu, you can go to Administration, and this is where you can manage your products or customers or notifications and also remove any sample datasets. If you want to unlock this application, go back to the app details, hit Managed, Unlock, and if you go back to the app and go back to the home screen, I can go look at Open Tickets, and if I want to see how this functionality was built, I can do a quick edit, take a peek at that. It will take me back to the Page Designer, and here I can take a look at attributes to see how this particular feature was implemented. Next, let's talk about sample apps. Sample apps highlight some of the features included in Apex and allows you to see how features of Apex can be implemented and customized. I'm going to download sample charts. When a sample app is downloaded, it's automatically unlocked. And after downloading, you can go to Manage and change authentication or remove the app from your workspace. I'm going to click Run. The sample chart apps provide different charts that are available in Apex so you can incorporate them into your own Apex application. I'm going to open the status meter gauge. If I click on Quick Edit and I want to see how the inner radius was built, I can click on that. It will take me to Page Designer. And from here, I can take a look at the attributes and see how that was also implemented. And I can copy and implement that in my own application. If I go back to the app and expand the menu, down at the bottom, this is where you can actually change your sample dataset or even apply a different theme. And in the reference page, you'll find a wealth of information about customizing and modifying charts in your apps, and follow these guides to implement a sophisticated chart in your own app. Thank you for watching this video, and check out the other Apex videos on our YouTube channel.